Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Fashion Hair Studio. How are you all? I hope my all viewers will be fine and doing good. Dear viewers, today's video will be going very interesting. In this video, I am sharing the stunning and classical designers haircuts and hairstyles collection. Dear viewers, in today's video, you will see different variety of haircuts. Dear viewers, in today's video you will see different varieties of haircuts like short pixie bob haircuts, undercuts, side cuts, head shaves, and beautiful and amazing cheek length haircuts and blonde color designs ideas of hairs you will see. So viewers, don't forget to share my video and don't forget to like this video. And viewers, I suggest you to please keep watching this video till the end. When you watch this video till the end, you will know about all the latest haircuts and hairstyles, designs, ideas. So viewers, goodbye till the next video. And see you soon again with another video and another collections of amazing haircuts and hairstyles. So viewers, if you want to buy all of these haircuts, then I will tell you the best websites from where you will buy all of these haircuts online. So goodbye.